This RE/MAX Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Katie Hensley. Views of the Rogue River Bay and famous Patterson Bridge from this 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home. All living on the main level. Garage, laundry, storage and workshop or hobby area below. Elevator from lower to upper living area is a huge plus. Newer garage doors, HVAC, windows, refrigerator and dishwasher. Fence landscaped backyard with a deck and dog kennel. Zoned commercial, this beauty has exceptional potential for a vacation rental. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Hensley at 541-425-7494.